Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ninja Foodi chicken taco soup. This is easy to make gluten-free. You can also make it in the Instant Pot too, so it is an Instant Pot or Ninja Foodi recipe. And it only takes 4 minutes once pressure builds in your Ninja Foodi. So it's a really easy go-to dinner for a busy weeknight. So what you'll need are 2 cups of cooked and shredded chicken. Leftover rotisserie chicken works really well for this recipe. That's actually what we normally use. 1 packet of gluten-free taco seasoning or regular taco seasoning. 15-ounce can of black beans. You can rinse and drain those if you prefer. It's up to you. 10 ounces of diced tomatoes with green chilies. You can think something like Rotel for that. And then a can of chicken broth. Once you have that, you'll also need a cup of corn, a cup of water, and then cayenne pepper, which is optional if you like it spicy. For serving and toppings, we usually use Doritos, shredded cheese, and sour cream. You can use whatever toppings you prefer, so if you want green onions, salsa, whatever you want, you can add there as well. But that's what you'll need for this recipe, so we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is add the chicken and taco seasoning to the pot of the Ninja Foodi. So you're just going to place that in there. Again, the chicken is cooked. Add in the black beans, and those can be drained if you prefer and rinsed. It's up to you. Then you're going to add in the diced tomatoes and green chilies. Once you have that in there, you'll go ahead and add in that chicken broth. Then you can add in the corn. And then once you get the corn in, go ahead and add in the water and pepper if you prefer the cayenne pepper. And then you're just going to stir that up. So just mix it up. Once it's all mixed and stirred up, you're going to go ahead and take that pressure cooker lid that is separate from the Ninja Foodi and put it on, secure it in place, and then set the nozzle to seal. So once you have the nozzle set to seal, go ahead and cook on high pressure for 4 minutes. Once the pressure is in, it will start cooking. It will only take the 4 minutes to cook. When the timer goes off, immediately release the steam by moving the nozzle to vent. And then you're going to carefully remove the lid and just stir it up and serve. So it's super easy to put together and to cook. I love to use this recipe for busy weeknights where we have lots of homework or even days where I just don't feel like cooking. One thing we've learned over the years is that we love this soup with Doritos. Something about that cheesy chips with the soup to dip it in, it's just delicious. So we love to serve it with that. You can do a few variations of this recipe. You can do beef taco soup too and use beef and beef broth. And I'll link to that as well. I have a video on that one too. So this recipe is ready to go in 4 minutes. Usually it's about 20 minutes once you add in that pressure building time. So you can find this recipe and many more over on my website, mommyhatescooking.com. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video so that you don't miss the next one. I have some more recipes coming soon. So stay tuned and thank you for tuning in.